Sponsored by DIY 4x, Do It Yourself Off Road, and 1320 Gear Shop, making you look good even when you're not in the staging lane.
Hello, my name is Rigo Trevino. I'm here at San Antonio Raceway. I got a 04 Chevy Silverado, 427 LSX motor, 114 millimeter turbo, doing about 1500 horsepower to the rear wheels. I got Flaco from Houston helping me tuning it. Used to be his truck, and
what's the fastest time you've run so far, brother?
right now drag radials is 850, 167. We're hoping to go low 8s today. Put a new record on our truck, so we'll see what we can do today.
Awesome, brother. I'd love to see that, man. And you got a beautiful truck. And tell me about your sponsors. And I know it's your own restaurant here.
Yeah, we're from Edinburgh, Texas. We're sponsored by Trevino's Restaurant, RMR Oilfield Services from Edinburgh. As you can see, our whole trailer is all wrapped up. Sponsorship on the hood of the truck. We're glad to be here and make this show happen.
Awesome, brother. Thanks for the interview. Have a good day.
Thank you.